So you can see three sentences on your screen. Sentence number one, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Sentence number two, if I studied hard, I would pass the exam. Sentence number three, if I had studied hard, I would have passed the exam. So which of the following sentences do you think is correct? Just think about it. So all the three sentences are correct. सेंटेंस नंबर वन, इफ आई स्टडी हार्ड आई विल पास द एग्जाम, मतलब अगर मैं मेहनत करूंगा तो मैं एग्जाम क्लियर कर लूंगा. सेंटेंस नंबर टू, इफ आई स्टडीड हार्ड आई वुड पास द एग्जाम, अगर मैंने मेहनत की होती तो मैं एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेता. सेंटेंस नंबर थ्री, इफ आई हैड स्टडीड हार्ड आई वुड हैव पास द एग्जाम, अगर मैं मेहनत कर पाता तो मैं एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेता. So all these three sentences are called conditional sentences. So without wasting any time, let's discuss. There are three types of conditional sentences based upon their structure. So first type of conditional sentences where we will use simple indefinite with simple future. Second type of conditional sentence where we will use past indefinite with would plus first form. Third conditional sentence where we will use past perfect plus would have. So let's discuss the first type of conditional sentence. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Now, first sentence carries simple indefinites. Then, so we will use simple future. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. Right? So we'll always use simple future with simple indefinite in first type of conditional sentence. Now let's discuss the second type of conditional sentence where we'll use would plus first form with past indefinite. So if the first sentence carries past indefinite, like if I studied hard, and in the next sentence you will use would plus first form of the verb. I would pass the exam. तो मैं exam clear कर लेता. So this is the second type of conditional sentence. Now third type of conditional sentence is first sentence has past perfect. Then you will use would plus have in the second sentence. For example, if I had studied hard, I would have passed the exam. अगर मैं मेहनत कर पाता तो मैं एग्जाम क्लियर कर लेता. Had studied is a, so had studied represents past perfect. So we will use would plus have plus third form. I would have passed the exam. So these are the three types of conditional sentences. I hope you understand that. So without wasting your time, let's test yourself. So there are fill in the blanks. So first is if it dash tomorrow, I dash an umbrella. Second is if I dash rich, I dash a big house. If they dash earlier, they dash the train. So in first sentence, you can see the word tomorrow. So with tomorrow, you can never use past indefinite or past perfect. So you are left with only simple present. So you will write if it rains tomorrow. So with simple present, you can use future indefinite. I will take an umbrella. So future form of take is will take. Now go to the next sentence. If I dash rich, I dash a big house. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं एक बड़ा घर ले लेता. So it represents the wish of the person. So wish of the person हम लिखते हैं past indefinite में. If I dash rich. So इसकी जो past indefinite form है, ये जो second verb है वो है was. If और I के साथ हम यूज करते हैं were. If I were rich, तो I were rich है क्या है? Past indefinite. Then you with past indefinite you will use would plus first form of verb. I would buy a big house, right? So let's go to the next sentence. If they dash earlier, they dash the train, right? So यहाँ पे है दो sentences, दो action past में हुए, right? So first action will be in the form of past perfect. So if they had arrived, arrive का past perfect क्या है? Had arrived earlier. So past perfect के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Would plus have plus third form of verb. They dashed the train. So catch का होगा would have caught the train. If they had arrived earlier, they would have caught the train. Now I hope you understand this concept. Please do like, subscribe and share it with your friend. For more such videos, please scroll through my channel, and thank you and sayonara.